Hi, this is Teacher Precious. Let's have fun this Mother's Day with the Pocky Happiness Kit. In this video, I'll show you how to make the Pocky Cupcake Sprinkles. We will also make a greeting card that we can give as gifts to our moms, lolas, ates, titas, and even dads who love us with all their heart. To begin, I'll show you the contents of the Pocky Happiness Kit. The Pocky Happiness Kit includes a label with the instructions for the Pocky Cupcake Sprinkles, Pocky Fruit Kebab, and Pocky Pops. For safety, don't forget to read the ingredients and allergen information. Also, take note of the used by date. The Pocky Happiness Kit includes 2 Pocky boxes, strawberry and chocolate, 2 frostings, 2 cupcakes, and 2 sprinkles. First, let's add the frosting. You can also try different designs and patterns. Then, put in the Pocky sticks. Then decorate using the sprinkles. There, now we have our Pocky Cupcake Sprinkles. To make our Pocky greeting card, trace the box to make 2 rectangles. Draw a horizontal line for the foreground. Then cut out a rectangle in one side of the box. This will be the frame of our greeting card. You can draw your design for the foreground above the horizontal line. Add some colors. You can also draw the background and write your message. When you cut the outline, make sure to include the horizontal line. This part will be pasted on the box. Insert the background, add glue to the foreground, and then paste it on one side. Use the tape to seal one side of the box. You can also use colored paper for the background. You can also write a personal note or a message. You may decorate it as you like. You may use ribbon, sequins, and other stuff. You can also cut out the flowers and designs from the label of the Happiness Kit. There, now we have our greeting card for Mother's Day. Were you able to make the Pocky Cupcake Sprinkles or the greeting card? I hope you can post your works online and share us your fun experience. Set your post to public and use the hashtag #ShareHappinessBackToMom. Don't forget to tag Teacher Precious and Pocky PH so we can see your work. Thank you! Happy Mother's Day! Visit my website at teacherpreciousart.com. You can also find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Just search Teacher Precious Art. Thank you!